Hello and welcome to Microsoft Exchange install for Windows Server 2012 R2. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to get the prerequisites for Exchange. So, we're going to go into Google on Internet Explorer on our virtual machine, and we're going to type in Microsoft Exchange prerequisites. So we're going to get a website from Microsoft that comes up, which has the Exchange 2013 prerequisites. Obviously, you need to know what your server's being used for. We're using ours for a mailbox, so we go up to Windows Server 2012 R2, and we go into mailbox and client access roles, and in there we'll have the PowerShell commands for all the prerequisites that you need to install on your system. So it has a nice little feature where you can just click the copy and it'll copy it to your clipboard. You need to allow access in your browser, and you can just open the Windows PowerShell up. You can right click on the top bar, hit edit, and select paste. What happened on my machine was that I went into the browser. I didn't hit the copy button again after allowed my browser access, so I had to go into the website, which I shouldn't have closed, and I had to recopy and reallow this script to run, so it had access to the clipboard, so it could copy stuff to the clipboard. So as you can see here, I'm just doing it again as we speak. So yeah. So now I have that. I'm opening up the PowerShell again, and I am hitting the bar at the top because you can't paste straight into it, and I'm hitting paste. Now once it's pasted, I'm hitting enter, and it will start the installation of all the prerequisites that you needed. This will take a little while, so just go for a victory SIGI or something similar. Okay, so now that's done, the install is completed. We have to now install some features, some role-based features onto our server that we want for, that are some of the prerequisites to Exchange. So they didn't have the entire lot of prerequisites. We still need to add some roles and features ourselves. So we're going to go in and we're going to install these roles and features, and after we've installed these roles and features, we'll be sorted. So now what we want to install is the IIS stuff. Anything to do with Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, anything to do with the IIS stuff. If it looked like it had to do with receiving mail, online mail transfer protocols and things, I installed it at this point. A lot of it was just testing to make sure that I had the capability for my server to be able to do what I wanted it to, and so that's how I chose the features from here. So after you install the features you need on your computer, all you have to do is go into your computer. Yeah, so now what we're doing is we're getting the Exchange file. Our university doesn't let us download it directly, so they have the file ready for us. What we're doing is we're using VMware to get the file from the storage, which we have FTP server, and we're getting the file from there. We're mounting it onto the virtual drive so we can execute it and install the Exchange without having to actually spend a whole heap of time downloading it and having loads of disk space being taken up by multiple copies. It's really good, and that's what I'm doing right here. So. So now that we've done mounting the device, we can just run that drive. So what I'm doing here is I've said yes, let's check for updates. Sorry, no, let's not check for updates. And then I've hit next. So it'll copy the files. That'll have a progress bar that'll be done. So this is just the installation. It guides you through pretty well, and the only errors you can get if there are no prerequisites. So I'm just going to speed the video up from here until we're finished with the install. After everything's successful in Exchange installation, what you'll need to do is open your browser, and you'll need to type in localhost.eco. And localhost.eco will take you to the Exchange login, where you can log into your administrator, and you're able to configure accounts. From your domain controller, you can make new accounts, give them different passwords. You can give them their rights and file sharing and all that good stuff, collaboration and all that. So just have a play around. Good stuff. Thanks, guys.